best-in-class headlights. The Intellilux LED matrix system in the Opel Insignia, the most advanced headlight system in its class. Driving in the dark has never been safer, thanks to this intelligent lighting system. The LED matrix light in the Insignia is far superior to xenon and is a major step up from conventional LED lights. It's more powerful and more precise. 16 single LED elements in each headlight adapt and adjust automatically to any driving situation for optimal vision at all times. In milliseconds, single LEDs turn on or off to avoid dazzling other drivers, while keeping everything around other cars perfectly lit on full beam. LED matrix lights have a range of up to 400 meters, so you see things earlier and you can react quicker. Also intelligent, the system instantly switches between several beam modes to adapt to different driving situations. The Opel Insignia with advanced Intellilux LED matrix headlights. Driving in the best light.